Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza using an easy method. We'll start with the dough, which is surprisingly simple. First, combine 1 1/2 cups of warm water with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let this mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. This foam indicates your yeast is active and ready to go. Then, gradually mix in 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, then let it rise for 1 hour. Now that our dough is ready, let's move on to the delicious toppings. First, spread about 1/2 cup of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, generously add 1 1/2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. This forms the perfect base for your chosen toppings. Feel free to get creative here. You can add classic pepperoni, fresh mushrooms, or colorful bell peppers. Arrange your selections evenly across the pizza, ensuring every bite is flavorful. With your pizza assembled, it's time to bake it to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to a high temperature of 475 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 245 degrees Celsius. For the best crispy crust, place your pizza on a preheated pizza stone or a sturdy baking sheet. Bake it for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust turns a beautiful golden brown and the cheese is wonderfully bubbly. Once baked, let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set perfectly. Congratulations, your homemade pizza is ready. Now for the best part, slicing and enjoying. Use a sharp pizza cutter to divide your masterpiece into 8 equal pieces. Serve it immediately, ensuring everyone gets to enjoy it while it's still warm and fresh from the oven. For a complete meal, you might consider pairing your pizza with a crisp green salad or your favorite refreshing beverage. Savor the incredible satisfaction of creating such a fantastic and delicious meal right in your own kitchen, all with this easy method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.